What's good, YouTube? Y'all, it's Hackercraft here. But y'all, hey, if y'all don't know, I got another main channel called King Bell. If you can go subscribe to that, that'd be helpful. Welcome to the first video on my channel, and today I'm finna teach you guys how to make a dog cage in a globe. So let's get it. In Minecraft Pocket Edition. Look at that skin. Alright, let's play my room. Alright. Okay, here I am. Okay, first of all, for the dog cage, well, for the globe, you will need a block of lupus, an oak fence, and some vines. And then for the dog cage, all you need is wooden trapdoor and a block of your choice. I'm just gonna grab oak wood. Okay, so first of all, we gonna make the dog cage first. So we just add trapdoors all over this block. Wait a minute, actually, yeah, I'm gonna remove this block. Make sure you leave a space, opening for the dog or whatever you gonna put in. Okay, you know, that space. So look, and then you just remove the block, and it will stay. And then I'm gonna and then you can add one here to close the cage. So what I'm gonna do is take a I'm actually gonna grab a wolf if I can find it. Oh, there he is. A wolf and a bone. And I will put him in a cage. Wait. He didn't go in the cage. That's weird. Tame. So tame it. Make it sit. Push him in there. Come here. Yeah, stop being bad. Come here, dude. What's going on? I'm sorry about that, you guys. 1 second. Oh my god. Perfect. So we're just gonna say forget that thing. We're just gonna put oh, we can't have a baby. Oh no. Okay. So I'm gonna put the yeah, come here. Oh god, this is hard. Okay, I got this time, you guys. Perfect. Perfect, he's sitting. Good. Wait 1 second, you guys. Okay, now. And bam, you got you a dog cage. This is pretty nice for decoration, it works. Okay, moving on. Now let's get into the how to make a globe. So first of all, you just place down the oak fence. Then you put your lupus. And you just take vine and go all around it, because you know how it the grass and water. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, and remember I got a main channel called King Bell. You can go sub to that channel. Peace. I'm out.